Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, Android Auto is Google's way of bringing your phone's apps to your car's dashboard safely and simply. And if you are on Amazon Music, like if you are already subscribed to this Amazon Music platform, basically you will be happy to know it works perfectly with Android Auto. You can browse your library, play downloaded songs, and even control everything from your car's touch screen or even steering wheel if you have somehow an updated version of the car itself. So in today's small tutorial, I will walk you through connecting Amazon Music to Android Auto so you can enjoy your tunes on every drive. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, we're gonna want to check our requirements. Make sure your car or aftermarket stereo supports Android Auto. Make sure your Android phone is running Android 10 or later. Android 9 with the Android Auto app installed would do you good as well. Make sure you have the latest version of Amazon Music installed from the Google Play Store. So basically, make sure your app is fully updated. Then connect your phone to your car. There are the best two ways are wired and wireless. We're gonna go and start with wired. You can plug your phone into your car's USB port using a high quality USB cable. Android Auto should launch automatically on your car's screen. If you want to try it wirelessly, if your car supports wireless auto or wireless Android Auto, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled. It should connect automatically when you start the car again. Then you can enable the Amazon Music in the app itself. Just go through these settings. Look for the apps, make sure Amazon Music is toggled on, then you can also customize which apps appear on your car screen. And that was it for today. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.